क्या गिटेगा जी मार में डॉक्टर साहब क्या हुआ बरोबर है नहीं
नेट पर जरूर डाल देना उनके।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल नेट पर आना चाहिए भाई साहब। फोटो खींच तो रहे हो। अंदर से बड़ा भाई बनता हुआ दीजिए बन रहा है जो हमारे लाइव बॉय बना रहे हैं। ऊपर कम से तो उठाओ। हाँ यस लाइव भाई का फोटो होते हुए लाइव भाई हमारे एक्सप्रेशन है। आप कभी पूरा आ रहा है तारिक भाई इसको डाल रहा हूँ नेट पे डाल दूंगा। मैंने डाल दिया अभी नेट पे। आप भी डाल दिए? हाँ मैं डाल दूंगा यूट्यूब।
दोस्तों हिंदुस्तान में कहीं भी कोई एग्जाम मुनक्किद किए जाते हैं, हिंदुस्तान में कहीं भी कोई जलसा मुनक्किद होता है, उसकी शुरुआत या तो क्षमा जमा कर की जाती है या फिर कोई रिबन काट कर किया जाता है। लेकिन आपको इस बात जमीर साहब कि वो हमारे इमाम साहब कि वो आए और So now moving on to the program. Before starting the program for Wali, I would like to request some of our brothers to pay the badges to our guests. So in this program, we have first Akram Raza will pay the badge to our chief guest. Pinning the badges to our chief guest. Now Faraz Bhai will pin the badge to our Vice Chancellor, sir. Faraz Bhai. Badge to our Vice Chancellor, sir. Badge to our guest of honor, that is Mr. Muhammad Abdul Haq. Next in line we have Razak Bhai to pin the badge to guest of honor, that is Mr. Shahnawaz Tariqa. Jalal Bhai is pinning the badge to Provost. Jalaluddin Ahmed. Khalid Bhai is pinning the badge to our guest of honor. He was the former University football captain. Now Jalal. Akib Khan will pin the badge to our senior food. Akib Khan to senior food.
Thank you very much. To proceed the program, may I please request our dexterous provost, Professor Arshi Khan.
Respected Chief Patron, Vice Chancellor of this University, Lieutenant General Zahiruddin Shah Sahab, the Chief Guest, Hassan Mahmood Al-Jawarnik, His Excellency the Ambassador of the Senior Four, on the anchor, my dear colleagues and wardens, guests, senior aspirants, other that we are holding this annual function of the historic Sir Syed Hall North, which could not take place last year. It is also historic that the Ambassador of Jordan, who took a lot of pain and hardship, and because of his love and sympathy and compassion for this university and for this country, he took this pain for you and he came to see you, Muslim University. This university is historic because it was born before the Constitution of India. This university is historic because this was born before our own independence. And this university is also the symbol of the Hindu-Muslim unity in this country. This university is dialectical in its nature. Why it is dialectical? Because it faced a lot of hardships, a lot of contradictions, like antithesis to thesis. But this university is marching on, like the divine mind, like the divine reason, like the rational mind of Hegel, and it is moving on, contributing a lot in different fields of society. Let me mention here, especially before our Vice Chancellor, Sahab, that we have made some improvement in this hall. We want to make some more improvement. We need some funds. We need some opportunities for our boys and for our building. I hope, sir, in future you will be more passionate and compassionate for this university. At the end, I again welcome the guest, the chief guest, the Vice Chancellor, and the guest of honor to this program. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for accepting this. Now I would like to request our Vice Chancellor, sir, to present a memento to our chief guest. Our chief guest accepting memento from Vice Chancellor, sir. Thank you, sir. Now our guest of honor accepts memento from our senior food. Our guest of honor, Janab Muhammad Abdul Haq Sahab, accepting memento from our senior food. Thank you very much, sir. Next in line we had our other guest of honor, but he is not present here. Now I would like to request our chief guest, sir, to please present memento to our senior hall. Our chief guest presenting memento to our senior hall from his auspicious hands. The senior hall. Our chief guest, sir, presenting memento to the senior food too. And at last but not the least, our provost, sir, accepting memento from our chief guest. Sorry, sir, for giving you so much pain. Provost, sir, accepting memento from our chief guest. Thank you. Thank you. So we are done with the memento ceremony. To moving on the program, I would like to request our senior hall to please present the annual hall report before our Vice Chancellor, sir, and our guests. Our annual hall report by our senior hall. He is from Dental College. He has organized 2 workshops and international conferences, presented paper in Singapore and Dubai. After that, we have Mr. Dr. Gigi Hamad A. Sahab, who will get memento from our guest of honor, Gigi Hamad Sahab. He is a very zealous warden. He always worked for us. He is a warden of Osmania Lower for the last 10 years. Then we have Zafrul Hasan Sahab. Zafrul Hasan Sahab. Thank you, sir. After that, we have Shoaib Sahab, a young scientist, doctor of zoology, Department of Zoology, resident warden. He had received a grant of 27 lakh from DTS New Delhi. And he has published at least 28 research papers in reputed national and international journals. After that, we have our warden, Dr. Nasir Salati Sahab. And then we have our warden, Dr. Arshad Bari Sahab. In the same string of line, I will also invite Dr. Saad Ahmad, our warden, to accept memento from our guest of honor. Dr. Mahbubur Rahman is next in line. Janab Mahbubur Rahman. I'll also request Mr. Jamal Ahmad Sahab to accept his memento from our guest of honor. Next in line we have Jahangir Sahab. Then we have Dr. Irfan Ahmad. Dr. Irfan Ahmad. He is the first JRF in India in Sanskrit. First JRF in India. First JRF. And then we have Irfanul Haq Saab. He is from Department of Political Science. Thank you, sir. So you must have been tired after giving so many mementos. So I'll give you some more tiresome activities. Now I would like to request our guest of honor to share his views with us and have some words with us. Our guest of honor.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Vice Chancellor, Honorable Excellency, distinguished guests, and dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear young men, every added year is adding knowledge and wisdom to our personality. It is also, and education is also gained. Education is not only a system of giving and receiving instructions, but it is also an observation. Up to certain age, education is given, but after certain age, acquisition of knowledge takes place. We all dream for a good life. As per my experience and as per my views, good living just not comes from hard work, it comes from application of knowledge. It means acquisition of knowledge just not only important, it is equally important that application of knowledge. We generally think and imagine in a very comfortable way to be more competent and successful. It is essential to think differently. We want things around us to be very comfortable and very normal without any challenges. But remember, the only strategy that is guaranteed to fail is not taking risk. So be prepared in the outside world to improve your capability of taking risk. Generally, after passing out the desired courses, we feel that education is completed. But education is not completed until the life is completed. Education is continued until the life is continued. I wish all of you all the best for your future. Think differently, accept the challenges, and set an example for generations to come. हुस्न किरदार से नूर मुजस्सिम हो जा, हुस्न किरदार से नूर मुजस्सिम हो जा, कि इब्लीस भी तुझे देखे तो मुसलमान हो जाए. Thank you, all the best for your future, for all of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your award. To receive memento from our chief guest. Please, sir. Mr. Asif Khurshid. Then Mohammad Talha Kamal. Harinder Kumar. Then the Harinder Kumar. Muhammad Ghufran Khan, Mr. Haider Ali, Muhammad Waji Haider. The next is Wasim Raza Khan, Muhammad Faiz. The program, it is indeed a moment of immense pleasure to have as a chief guest His Excellency Mr. Hassan Mahmood Muhammad Al-Jawarni. So I am falling short of words for his introduction. He is the ambassador of Kingdom of Hashemite. His Excellency Mr. Hassan Mahmood Muhammad Al-Jawari, Embassy of the Hashemite Kingdom of Jordan. I welcome him on the dais to share his incomprehensive knowledge to share with us. Please, sir. Please, sir, please. Please welcome him with a round of applause.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Honorable Vice Chancellor, Excellency Provost, Professor Dr. Archie Khan, dear student and guests, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's my great pleasure to visit this university today, and particularly the Sir Said Hall North. Being the chief guest here, I would like to say some things about the university. Aligarh Muslim University is one of the most premier educational center of excellence in knowledge and education, as well as the only institution of its own kind teaching Tarbiyat, which the institutions had inherited from the founders, their followers and the students who were deeply concerned with the community traditions and cultural patterns. This institution evolved through different stages of learning since 1873, Madrasat al-Ulum, to Anglo-Mohammedan Oriental College, to Muslim University in 1920. The foundation stone of Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College, Aligarh, was laid by Lord Lighton in 1877. This institution became the first academy in the world to develop through private fundings and endowments offered by the friends, sympathizers, and other sections of society, including the beggars and laborers digging the foundation of building in the 1870s. Sir Syed Ahmed Khan was born 17 October 1817 in Delhi and died on 27 March 1898 in Aligarh. He expected this academy to educate more Muslims in modern areas of knowledge. He rejected confrontationalist policy against the British and asked both Muslims and the British to reconcile with each other. Similarly, he symbolized the lamp of mutual friendship, love, and respect between the Sunni and the Shia sects, and between Hindus and Muslims, and between Muslims and Christians. His life experience and social relations clearly show his deeply rooted relations with personalities belonging to Shia sects, Hinduism, and the Christians. AMU is also known for its magnificent building where modernity, tradition, education, tarbiyat, knowledge learning, and different cultures and groups coexist. Chaotic Islamic structure of all buildings of Aligarh Muslim University represents Sayyid's spirit of tolerance and appreciation of Oxford and Cambridge pattern of education. Friends, this university is known in the way to teach subjects and disciplines to students from different countries. There are several students from Jordan who will make more developments between India and Jordan in various fields. At present, there are over 500 Jordanian students pursuing studies in different universities in India. The number of Jordanian alumni of Indian University is over 2,500. There are about 90 students from Jordan in the Aligarh Muslim University. The two countries, Jordan, India, signed their first bilateral agreements for cooperation and friendly relations in 1947. And in 1950, the diplomatic relations between India and Jordan established. And we supported in Jordan at the United Nations the candidatures of non-permanent seats in the United Nations Security Council for 2011 to 12. Of course, His Majesty King Abdullah II Ibn Hussein visited India 2006, and Her Majesty Queen Rania in December 19, 2006 This visit provided an excellent opportunity of exchange of views on all aspects of our bilateral relations. And during that visit, a number of bilateral agreements were signed. The Honorable President of India, Pranab Mukherjee, visited Jordan in October 2015. There were many agreements signed during the visits, even the cooperation between universities, Indian universities and Jordanian universities. And the Honorable Prime Minister, Narendra Modi, met with His Majesty at the United Nations October last year. And this year, we have completed 66 years of our relationship. I hope this Aligarh Muslim University will further relations between India and Jordan. Thank you.
Thank you so very much, sir. We are really grateful.
Assalamu alaikum. Jai Hind. His Excellency, the Ambassador of the Hashemite Kingdom of Jordan, it is a great honor for you to be present with us today. Guest of honor, Janab Muhammad Abdul Haq of the Alana Group, Provost Dr. Arshi, other wardens of the hall, my dear students. Let me tell you that I have been very impressed with the way the hall is being managed by Dr. Arshi and his team. He has been devoting a lot of time looking after your interests, and he's been constantly badgering me to improve the conditions in the hall. Inshallah, we will give you more funds so that your stay is as comfortable as possible. हम कोशिश ये करेंगे कि जो आपका हॉल है उसमें पूरी मरम्मत हो ताकि आप कम से कम हॉल में आराम से रहें। मैं आपको जॉर्डन के बारे में बताना चाहता हूँ। I would like to tell you something about the Hashemite Kingdom of Jordan. I think it is the most progressive and modern country in West Asia. I have spent long periods in Amman and touring the country, and I would like to say that our relationship with Jordan have always been very warm, very cordial and very close. We are very proud of the fact that some students from Jordan are studying in Aligarh Muslim University, और हम चाहते हैं कि जॉर्डन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी में तालीम हासिल करने के लिए आएँ। We are looking forward to participation of more students from Jordan studying at Aligarh Muslim University. I would also like to compliment the Alana Group for helping us in repairs of the university. You all are aware that the Alana Group, especially Mr. Adil Alana, contributed 1 crore rupees for the renovation of Stratchy Hall. I spent a lot of time supervising and making sure that Stratchy Hall is restored to its former glory. हम चाहते थे कि जैसे सर सैयद ने स्ट्रैची हॉल हमारे लिए छोड़ा था, हम वैसे उसकी तब्दीली करें, उसको रिस्टोर करें, और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बिल्कुल जैसा उन्होंने छोड़ा था वैसे ही स्ट्रैची हॉल अभी वापस उसी मुकाम पर पहुंच गया है। अलाना ग्रुप ने 1 करोड़ रुपए और दिया है मैनेजमेंट कॉम्प्लेक्स की तरफ, और हमें उम्मीद है कि अलाना ग्रुप जो है अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी के रेस्टोरेशन के लिए, अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी की प्रोग्रेस के लिए कंट्रीब्यूट करते रहेंगे। हमें उनसे पूरी उम्मीद है। Let me also tell you that Aligarh Muslim University has been graded by international ranking agencies as the second best university of the country. हाल में ही MHRD की ग्रेडिंग आई है, उसमें हमें 10th पोजीशन यानी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ की का 6ठा दर्जा दिया है। मुझे बिल्कुल उम्मीद नहीं थी कि यूनिवर्सिटी का नाम इस लिस्ट में होगा, मगर अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी को नीचे चाहे कोई कोशिश हो नहीं कर सकते। अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी इंशाल्लाह पहली दर्जे पर पहुंचेगी, ये हमारा इरादा है, और इंशाल्लाह इरादा पूरा करके रहेंगे। हमारा माइनॉरिटी कैरेक्टर जो है हमसे कोई छीन नहीं सकती। ये लड़ाई अभी सुप्रीम कोर्ट में है, इसकी तैयारी हम 4 साल से कर रहे हैं। और इंशाल्लाह फतेह और कामयाबी हमारी ही होगी। हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं वो हर चीज़ में तरक्की करें। हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं, जो आपको मौका मिल रहा है इल्म का, इल्म हासिल करिए। और अगर आप पढ़ लिख लेंगे और अगर आप इल्म हासिल कर लेंगे, कोई ताकत जो है आपको आगे बढ़ने से रोक नहीं सकती। No power on earth can stop you from making progress in case you have the weapon, in case you have the power of knowledge with you. आप देख सकते हैं कि जो मुसलमान इस कंट्री के जो बाशिंदे हैं, जो पढ़ लिख लेते हैं, उनको कोई आगे बढ़ने से नहीं रोक सकता। मगर अगर आप कहेंगे, if you say that there is discrimination, if you have a negative attitude to life, you will not succeed. So have confidence in your ability, harness the power of knowledge, and no strength can hold you back. Nobody tried to hold me back because I had knowledge, I worked hard, and I was very confident that inshallah my parents had blessed me. Nobody could hold me back and nobody could. I want you to follow, I want you to emulate my example. I want you to have confidence in yourself, and no power can hold you back. That is my assurance to you. The second thing I want to tell you is that after 1857, War of Independence, मुस्लिम कौम में अंग्रेजी से नफरत हो गई थी, अंग्रेज़ों से नफरत थी। मगर सर सैयद ने यही लेसन दिया कि अंग्रेज़ों से सबक सीखिए, उनसे बात कीजिए, उनको अपने साथ मिलाइए। यही पॉलिसी मैं इख्तियार कर रहा हूँ। गवर्नमेंट जो है, बीजेपी की गवर्नमेंट ज़रूर हो, मगर हमें उनसे नफरत नहीं करनी चाहिए। हम उनसे बात करेंगे, हम उनको साथ जोड़ेंगे ताकि यूनिवर्सिटी का नुकसान नहीं हो। अगर हम उनसे बात तक नहीं करेंगे तो कैसे वो यूनिवर्सिटी की मदद करेंगे। मगर एक चीज़ ज़रूर याद रखनी चाहिए, बात ज़रूर करेंगे मगर अपना ज़मीर जो है बेचेंगे नहीं। That is my sincere commitment to you. We will talk to them, we will ask them for all the help. After all, they are the government of the country, and the university cannot progress without help, without financial support of the central government. But I will not sell my conscience to anybody. My loyalty is to Aligarh Muslim University alone, and I will do everything for protecting the interests of the university. I will do everything in the interest of the university. I want the support of all the students in whatever step I take. Let me tell you that I have no personal agenda. I have no further ambitions in life. I have achieved whatever Allah had to give me. The greatest honor which I could achieve was to be Vice Chancellor of Aligarh Muslim University. So I have achieved whatever ambitions I had. I have no political ambitions. I have no ambitions to go anywhere else. My sole aim and purpose in the period of time remaining with me is to ensure that the interests of the university are guarded, the interests of the university are protected, and inshallah, I have never lost in a battle. This time also we will win and succeed. Ours is a great university. Ours is one of 3 universities enshrined in the Constitution of India as institutions of national importance. Ours is the 2nd best university of the country, and you will see inshallah in the next issue of India Today, it graded us number 4 last year. This year we hope to be much higher in the ranking of India Today, and it is not easy to appear in the rankings of India Today, but inshallah we will be much higher. I want the support of all our students in whatever we do. We are only striving towards ensuring that you get a good education. हमारा एक ही मकसद है ताकि आपको अच्छी तालीम मिले, और तालीम के बाद हमारी ये जिम्मेदारी है कि आपको अच्छी नौकरी मिले. ये हमारा मकसद है और मकसद हम पूरा करेंगे. मैं डॉक्टर अर्शी खान साहब को बधाई देना चाहता हूँ. I want to compliment him for the hard work he is doing towards progress of this hall. His entire team have been working tirelessly in making progress, and they have my total backing, they have my total support, and inshallah your hall, I will devote more funds. We will ensure that it becomes one of the best halls in AMU. I have full faith in the community of teachers. I have full faith in the students of Aligarh Muslim University, and you must have full faith in me. I will not let you down. I will not let Aligarh Muslim University down. Have faith. God bless you.
Thank you very much, sir. You will not let us down.
नहीं जाएंगे खाने के पंडाल में, उनको रोकिए वहाँ पे. एक अनाउंसमेंट ये है कि कल मेस आपका बंद रहेगा. टुमारो योर मेस will remain closed because all the staffs are working hard and they are very tired. This is one announcement. दूसरा अनाउंसमेंट ये जो मैं भूल गया था, खास करके अपने स्टाफ के लिए, अपने ऑफिस स्टाफ के लिए, तमाम स्टाफ क्लास 4 से क्लास 3 लेवल तक और क्लास 2 लेवल तक, हमारे तमाम वार्डन, हमारे तमाम कुकिंग स्टाफ, सेक्रेटरियल स्टाफ, लॉजिस्टिकल स्टाफ, मैं तमाम स्टाफ का तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ कि उन्होंने काफ़ी वक्त अपने काफ़ी दिक्कतें उठाई हैं इस प्रोग्राम को सक्सेस करने में और इस प्रोग्राम में वक्त देने में. और तीसरी चीज़ जो यहाँ पे भूल हुई है कि शायद हमारे चीफ गेस्ट मेमेंटो पेश करेंगे जमील हुसैन जो हमारे स्टूडेंट हैं, तो उसमें कुछ गलती हो गई थी. तो आई विल रिक्वेस्ट द चीफ गेस्ट His Excellency the Ambassador of Hashemite Kingdom of Jordan to present the memento to Mr. Jamil Hussain, the Cultural Secretary and Literary Culture Secretary.
चमन मैं अपने चमन का बुलबुल हूँ, शोरे निगाहे नरगिस हूँ, पापस्ताएगे सुबह सुम्बुल हूँ. मेरा चमन ये मेरा चमन ये मेरा चमन है मेरा चमन, मैं अपने चमन का बुलबुल हूँ। ताकि हरम में रोशन है वो शमा यहाँ भी जलती है। इस दश्त के गोशे गोशे से एक जोए हयात उबलती है। ये दश्त जुनू दीवानों का, ये बज़्म वफा परवानों की। ये दश्त जुनू दीवानों का, ये बज़्म वफा परवानों की। ये शहर तरजुमानों का, ये खुल्द बरी अरमानों की। फितरत ने सिखाई है हमको उफ़ताद यहाँ परवाज़ यहाँ। फितरत ने सिखाई है हमको उफ़ताद यहाँ परवाज़ यहाँ। गाए हैं वफ़ा के गीत यहाँ, छेड़ा है जुनून का साज़ यहाँ। गाए हैं वफ़ा के गीत यहाँ, छेड़ा है जुनून का साज़ यहाँ। ये मेरा चमन है मेरा चमन, मैं अपने चमन का बुलबुल हूँ। इस बज़्म में तेगें खींची है, इस बज़्म में सागर तोड़े हैं। इस बज़्म में आँख बिछाई है, इस बज़्म में दिल तक जोड़े हैं। हर शाम है शामे मिस्र यहाँ, हर शब है शबे शिराज़ यहाँ। हर शाम है शामे मिस्र यहाँ, हर शब है शबे शिराज़ यहाँ। है सारे जहाँ का सोज़ यहाँ, और सारे जहाँ का साज़ यहाँ। ज़र्रात का बोसा लेने को 100 बार झुका आकाश यहाँ। ज़र्रात का बोसा लेने को 100 बार झुका आकाश यहाँ। खुद आँख से हमने देखी है बातिल पे शिकस्ते फाश यहाँ। खुद आँख से हमने देखी है बातिल पे शिकस्ते फाश यहाँ। ये मेरा चमन है मेरा चमन, मैं अपने चमन का बुलबुल हूँ। ये मेरा चमन, ये मेरा चमन, ये मेरा चमन है मेरा चमन, मैं अपने चमन का बुलबुल हूँ। वो सारे जहाँ पर बरसेगा, हर जुए वहाँ पर बरसेगा, हर गोरे गिरा पर बरसेगा, हर सर्व समन पर बरसेगा, हर दश्त दमन पर बरसेगा। खुदा अपने चमन पर बरसेगा, गैरों के चमन पर बरसेगा। हर शहर तरफ पर गरजेगा, हर कसरे तरफ पर कड़केगा। ये अब्र हमेशा बरसा है, ये अब्र हमेशा बरसेगा। ये अब्र हमेशा बरसा है, ये अब्र हमेशा बरसेगा। ये अब्र हमेशा बरसा है, ये अब्र हमेशा बरसेगा। बरसेगा बरसेगा बरसेगा। थैंक यू।
कपड़े से लेके ना मैं दिलवाता हूँ। ठीक वो है उधर से बंद है वहाँ ले चले कॉमन रूम में सर। हाँ चलो बिल्कुल
लीगल
जगह है नहीं